Hi guys, it's David. So today I was not planning to do a video. However, I have a surprise here that not a lot of people probably will go through this surprise. And I have a beautiful screw bolt through my tire. So I think I need to replace the tire, or at least minimum get the spare on it, because it's very annoying when you drive and it's tuck, 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 tuck. So other than that, it's not safe. It's very annoying, and who knows how long it's gonna last. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get this tire off, and I'm gonna get the spare out and put the spare for the moment. And then tomorrow I'll take this one to the shop. Most likely they're gonna say they can fix it because it's kind of worn out. And I'll get a new tire. All right. So let's go and get started. All right. So this is a Nissan Xterra 2010. Here's where I'm gonna find all the jacks and tools to get that tire removed. So this is how you take right here. You open this up. It's a zip tie. Take the jack off. Take the rest of the tools out, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need all this for. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the spare tire off, and I'm going to verify that it's all good. Put pressure or air pressure if I need to. I don't want to do all this and the tire be flat too. So let me show you how I'm gonna do that. And for that, I'm gonna go and open this the trunk, in which I have a super special tool here. Special support strut, because my dampers broke. My suspension for the hold open door, they broke. So this is a homemade. It does the job. Very annoying, but it does the job. So if you see right here, that's where I'm going to be installing. And I'll show you. This part of the tool that comes with the truck, and then you go and pretty much stick it, engage it. The tool has a square here, and this has it's like a 3/8 drive, and then there you go. You put it in to engage. You feel like it's engaging, and you start going counterclock, loosing. Yep, it was stuck there. So I'm gonna show you now that part. You see the tire coming down. It's a change. It's like a winch, just going. It's very lightweight. It's not. You're not picking any. It's not very difficult. It's not. You don't have to be super strong to do this. It's very. So you do it into the changes loose enough so you can get it out of the hole. I'm gonna go a couple more spins, and then I'm going to go ahead and this is a dirty part. Go ahead and try to get that. You have to try to get it out of the hole. Yeah, there you go. And then just pull the tire off. And then you got a beautiful tire off. Now I do recommend that you put some gloves so you don't do this. I was in a hurry, like always, and I didn't put nothing. where I'm going to be changing the tire. I'm going to go ahead and bring the change back so it won't. I'm not going to put the flat tire here. I'm just going to put it in the trunk, because when I go to the tire place, it's quicker just to get out of the trunk. You don't want to leave the chain hanging because it could catch up with the somewhere on the road, and that won't be cool. Anyhow, that should be enough. So you just have to find the sweet spot, get it off. Now let's go into the front of the car. Make sure the parking brake is on, which is on. Car is in park. That's so when I'm picking it up in the jack, the truck won't roll on me. Even though it's in park, it's like extra precaution. So now we're gonna get the jack. You see it has the same part that you use for to remove the tire. You're gonna put it here in this hole, and then you're gonna spin it to the right, which is clockwise. Get it closer to the car. Then you want to find a spot that is a chassis, the part of the chassis, the strongest part of the car. So you don't want to put it in a place that is not strong enough, and you're going to bend the weakness. So find a spot that is strong. So you can tell this is not the first time that I have to take the spare tire off. Even though I don't do it often, I've done it once or twice, or maybe more, I don't know. So that right there, it should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of the weight off the tire, not 100%, and I'm gonna show you why. You want the tire, you come and verify that everything is doing well before you take your eye off of it. I don't want the tire completely out of the air yet, because I'm gonna need the tire to hold with the street while I loose the bolt top. If I don't do that, since there's no traction on the front, it's gonna spin. I mean, I won't be able to loose it up. So that one is very close from. Maybe too much, you see? I want it not to spin. All right. Now let's get this tire loose. So right now it's not spinning, it's almost out of the air, but it's not. So I'm gonna break it loose. If it's not super hard, but if you actually don't have the strength, you can always use your legs. Careful, because if you slip, you can scratch yourself, cut yourself. A lot of things can happen. So make sure you have a nice, solid. But I don't have to really do it because it's not really that hard for me. So it's better use both of my hands and my body weight. So now it's not. I'm not gonna take it all off yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and go pick the remaining of the car up. And verify everything looks good here. And the tire is officially out of there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking the remaining of the, see now it's bent, but it's loose. That's why I did it on the floor. You can do it if you have power tools. It will be quicker, which I do have actually, but I wanted to do it this way so you guys can learn. This is in case you're in the road and you unfortunately get a flat, and you know how to do it. Now I'm here in front of my house, which is kind of safe. I don't have no worry. I don't have to worry because I'm in the sidewalk area. So the most dangerous part here is kids coming in their bicycle and running over me. But if you're actually in the street, you want to try it, if possible, you know, go park, if you can manage to park in a parking lot or anywhere like that. Or if not, if you're on your highway, you know, trying to find a spot that as far as away from the traffic. People are not always watching what they do when they're driving 100%. So, and if you got emergency lighting, make sure you put them on. So gives you extra spot there in the street so people can see you. Tire is not necessarily going to fall off. There's two bolts here. Not bolts, but the threads. So let me show you. So just simply let it come down and tire is off. And I'm going to show you why again I'm replacing this tire. And that is why. So let's put this tire here. Let's get the new tire in. You may have to get it closer and then pick it up a little bit and roll it to align it. Use your bottom. Try not to get super dirty. There you go. So now, just by hand, put all the screws, or put all the nuts, not tight, just getting started. Kids are playing on the street. My daughter right now is sleeping. Hopefully she will sleep all the way through tomorrow. She's been all day playing. So I'm gonna just bring it a little bit. Just get it. Not really tight, just it's gonna spin on you, so I'm just obviously not gonna try to tight it. I'm just gonna get it really close. You can spin it backwards of the way you tighten it, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop this jacket slightly a little bit, just so the tire don't spin. There you go. It's barely touching. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little. So I'm gonna go in one here, then come back here, and then right here. You wanna cross tight it. So now pretty much I went all through. So I'm gonna actually now I'm gonna drop it slightly a little bit more. So it won't spin at all. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some more torque on it. So I'm gonna go and check every single one of them now that if you don't believe you have enough strength, you can always do the same that you did and use your legs. I think it's tight. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower the jack slowly. There's no rush. You wanna make sure everything. I know this tire has air, so I don't have to worry about it. I just need to go and put a little bit maybe to match up my pressure, but as far as air, it's gonna be good. So it pretty much is off, and I can do it by hand like this. You want to compress it all the way, because if you don't do this, it won't fit on the compartment again. And I'm going to put it away because from here I will go to the shop, and then when they take it out of the trunk, they will go ahead and put everything where it's supposed to go with their own tools. So I won't need this again, hopefully. Anyhow, so hopefully you guys learned something from today, and if you did, well, awesome. That was my intention, and I will see you in the next project and into the next time. Bye.